This is Chapter 3, Case Problem 3. Number 1 asks to prepare a new standard profit and loss report. So you're going to go to Reports, Company and Financial, Profit and Loss Standard. It wants it for January, so we type in January 2012. Here's our report. It wants it formatted without cents and without the date prepared, so we customize the report. We check without cents. We go to header and footer and uncheck date, time, and report basis. Select OK. And then we memorize the report. And it also wants to save it in a group, so we'd also save it in a group, but I already did that. Number 2 asks to prepare a new standard profit and loss report for the month of February. So we would go to Reports, Company and Financial, Profit and Loss. We would type in our dates for February. Here's our report. It wants us to customize it without cents. So check without cents. Left alignment, you go into the header and footer, select left. And it also wants us to put the title as income statement. So we would just change this and type in income statement. And it says to take out the date, time, and report basis from this field. So that's all the formatting I would have to do. Then we would memorize by typing in income statement 2 and save it in a group, but I already did that. Number 3 asks to modify the income statement that I used. So we'd go to Reports, Memorized Reports. I saved these under Accountant, and it asks to change income statement 2. So I'll open that one up. It asks to add a previous period. So we're going to go to Customize Report. We're going to add subcolumns for the previous period and check the percent change and dollar change. And then there we have the previous period, so we have January and February. And then we would I already did this, but we'd memorize it as income statement 3.
We can add them like Legos. Yes, we can do it.
The next, number 4, asks to prepare a transaction detail by account report for those transactions recorded in February that affect the payroll expense account. So we'd go to Reports, Account and Taxes, and then we go to Transaction Detail by Account. So first, let's type in our date of February. And then from account list, we are going to change it to payroll item detail. And then we have all of our payroll accounts, all of our expense accounts. To format, we take out the date prepared, time prepared, and report basis fields. Okay. And then we would just memorize this here as payroll detail February, but I already did that, so I'm not going to do that again.